We went to the River Ching because we wanted to get our clay. There was lots of rubbish. We had to go litter picking to get all that before the class came over. There you are, you rascal. Bring me the bag. It's called sausage chest because when you do it, the clay or the soil or the mud looks like a sausage. So get a piece of clay, you roll it, and then you bend it. If it snaps, it's not clay or soil, mud. And if it doesn't bend, it's clay. If I put it in the water, it doesn't dissolve, it just gets even more squishy.
Exactly, so that is how you know it's clay.
Daddy, look how much clay I have. Came back to school in a big bucket of wet clay.
Something that isn't good to fire, then you want to chop it out. You want to like that.
So we had all the clay and we cut the clay into little balls, didn't we? Do you remember?
Yeah.
And we dried it in the sun until it went really dry, and then we put the balls into the water. Water, it all dissolved, it became this big bucket of brown custard. It looked like just watery mud.
The sieve took out all the lumpy bits, which we did not want at all. It was like, kiss goodbye, the lumpy bits.
What we've got is a plaster block. If I pour this on here,
Got the clay and we put it onto this slab of Paris. Oh yeah, it is getting sucked in.
can you see it's sucked in?
Yeah, like a vacuum cleaner.
Put it on there and you can feel it drying.
It sucked out all the moisture, so the clay was able to model. Yeah, I did it! I molded a teacup. It looked like clay. We started to model it.
You can see where the join is. You just give a little scratch over and that blends it.
I felt quite happy when I was making it. And it just felt like really nice. The next time we came there, we glazed them all and made them and were all glazy and smooth, except for the bottom part, because then it would stick to the kiln, and then we wouldn't be able to get it off, and you would never have your masterpiece. I didn't actually collect mine.
You haven't collected yours yet?
No.
Yours is in the kiln waiting for you.
Dun dun dun!
Yours is in the kiln waiting for you.
What was yours at Elliot's head? So when we opened the kiln, everything was shiny and waterproof, so we could use it if we had snacks that were juicy. We could like put it on and it wouldn't break. We are the clay committee. We make our own clay. Getting clay at the shop is boring, but collecting it is actually really, really fun. It was actually one of the funnest experiences of my life. Thank you, River Ching.